Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to play car parking multiplayer. You must haven't heard about this game. This is a new game guys, but you must download this game guys. This is really nice graphics and all, and it's really cool game guys. And the main thing is that there are 100+ cars. I'll show you that. And the main thing is we can buy a car from the store. That means here's the new car. Many cars are there guys. Many cars are there guys. And we can buy the car from the store, and we could sell it. There is a selling place. We could sell the car from there for our price. We can choose the price. The game owner will not choose the price. We will choose the price. So we can sell it, or we can buy a car from a low price from there also. So this is really cool guys. Maybe I will show you the cars. There are 100+ cars. This is the first car. Look at guys, there are many BMW, Benz, Ferrari, Lamborghini, many guys. Here is Ferrari. Now we have here the Porsche. Now here Lamborghini. Here another Lamborghini. Here another Lamborghini Huracan, and another Corvette. Another Corvette. This is new Corvette. And here is the GTR. Oh guys, that does look pretty good. And here's the Benz, Audi R8. There are many cars guys. There is another Ferrari, and there is the Lamborghini Urus, another Lamborghini, a Rolls Royce, Benz. Oh my god, there's many cars guys. And this is the last car, Bugatti, Lamborghini. Really cool guys. You should download this game. And you didn't see my garage, and my garage is like, where's my garage? Okay, there it is. This is my garage. This is my free. Everyone first download, we will get this car for free. Then I bought this car, and I modified it guys, and then I bought this BMW guys. There's a real whole story between this game. I will tell the whole story in another video because it wastes time. So this is my video, but special BMW. This is my second BMW guys. Another third BMW guys. So today's topic is that we are going to sell my cars like for 1 rupee guys. We're going to sell my cars for 1 rupee. That's a big job, man. So we're going to sell this car for $1. 1 rupee. You may think that this is just a shabby car. This only costs like 10,000. No guys, this is really an expensive car. I will show you. The car came from my BMW. My BMW straight away. Okay guys, here it is guys. This is the car you have been taking off. This was the car. Look, this I bought it. It was also I bought it. And this bar, look at the price. It is 69,000, and this is 72,000, and this is 80,000 guys. And come from 81,000. Guys, this car really cost nice. Nice expensive guys. And we're going to sell it for 1 rupee. That's a big topic guys. So we're gonna start. We have an online mode. We can play with other. I can play with you also guys. You all can play with me also. We can be friends. So we're going to online mode. I'm connecting to a room. There it is guys. We're going to city, and we're going to start guys. Start the game. We're connecting. So this is really going to be funny guys, because I'm going to sell this car. Oh guys, no petrol. I should refuel this car Okay guys, I have an idea, because when we are going to the selling place, there is a petrol pump. We can refill from there. You can see guys, this is a really nice graphics game. Cars and all doesn't crash at all. So let's refuel the car guys. Okay, they are refueling. We're going to sell this car for 1 rupee. I can't imagine. I'm giving away this car for 1 rupee. If I would not, I would like $30,000. I would sell it for like that. So I'm refueling. We can this thing. We can. 1 minute, I'll show you that. Let this car refuel, okay? And you can see that we can only not drive the car, we can come out of it. Let's go guys, we have to go and sell this car. Let's go, here is the selling place. So guys, you can see this GTR and all. What am I doing? You see that GTR? Okay, here is it. Someone is selling this car for $990. Okay, here. Oh. Okay guys, someone just gave me a car of a Mini Cooper. Okay guys, I sold this car. Oh my god guys, I sold this car. Guys, I just sold this car and take the Mini Cooper. Wow. Nice Mini Cooper. And guys, we are going to sell this Mini Cooper. Okay, there is a twist guys. We are going to sell this Mini Cooper guys, because I don't like the BMW. I just sell it for somebody. So let's start fast and all. We can sell this as fast as we could. So we are selling this for 1 rupee. So let's start guys. Come on. Okay guys. 1 minute. Okay. I didn't better like this one. Oh my god! Stop it. Oh my god guys. So guys, let's sell this car guys for 1 rupee. Let's go park it straight. Okay. We're going Mini Cooper and the price is 1. Okay guys, here is it. This is the price for, and someone is going to buy this car. Oh, so guys, your car was sold by this man. He just took my car. This star guy for $1 guys. Bye. Okay guys, that was really funny guys. Oh, we're back with it. We just sell that car away. Now I'm going to show you my tip of like riding my BMW. Not this, yeah. Here this guy is on my mode. Let's go. Okay, we are going to the city. Okay. Oh guys, this is really fun. Get the heck out of me. I'm stuck guys. These guys just stuck out of me. God. So guys, there is one more car to sell. That is this one is not this guys, not this also, and this car is. We got to sell this too, but I don't think I should sell it. But I think. Okay guys, you should prepare that for me. You should decide that for me. Comment down now in this video, should I sell it or not? If the most of the people says yes, sell it, I would surely sell this car in the next video. If most of the people says no, sell it, no, don't sell it, I would surely not sell it in the next video. So please comment down if you want to sell it. Just comment down yes, sell it. If you don't want to sell it, just write no, don't sell it. Okay guys, we are winding up this video. So please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, share, and don't forget to comment. And see you in the next video.